Hello, Drone Racers. I'm Mark, and today on DroneRacer101, we're going to cover what happened in October. We didn't do a giveaway in October. I kind of just got really busy and stuff happened. Or didn't happen. I don't know. Whichever. We are back on track. I've gotten a few things to make life easier, like the new laptop we're recording on, so I can actually do things during the day that doesn't interrupt with my day job. That way it can spend all day compiling video, and it's a screen that I can actually see to edit on. I was editing on this little bitty screen. It just wasn't working. It was driving me crazy. So I made the investment, got a new laptop. That's beside the point. Now we're going to cover what's happened on Patreon. I also wasn't very active on Patreon last month. Sorry, guys. But those guys have gotten to see my new laptop. And I just posted a picture of the keyboard that I got that goes back and forth between devices. It's really awesome. But again, besides the point. So let me start like we always do by thanking the new patrons. So we actually have to go back to September. So we'll do that now. We'll go back to September 1st. And we have Futures pledged $1. Thank you, Stuart, with Futures. We also have Gerald Riggs, this new supporter there. At the end of the month, we have Johan Berglund. That's what I'm going to go with, Johan Berglund. That's what I'm pretty sure that's how it is. And then we'll jump forward to October. We have just one new patron, Narrowdeep. Narrowdeep kind of reminds me of a D&D adventure I did one time. So I didn't forget about the giveaway in September it was. I actually did draw a winner and I went ahead and shipped that out. That was for the Airhogs DR1 drone. That went to, let's see, how did that go to? Yeah, that went to Tina D. So we're just gonna skip October. I thought about trying to split it up and make up, and we're just gonna move forward with this. So we have November, and we're giving away kind of an old favorite. I have not one, but two Eachine E56s. How did I end up with two of them? These are actually the third and fourth, at least maybe the fifth of these I'm going to be giving away. I gave one away with Banggood one time, then I gave one away in July, I think it was. And the deal in July was, it was international shipping, and these are cheap enough. These are so cheap, they're down to like $35, that it was cheaper for me to buy a new one and ship it to them than to ship one of these. And actually, than to ship this one. The problem was I went on and I forgot to update the shipping address, so I ended up ordering this one and it came to me. And then I ordered another one and shipped it to them. So that was the fifth one I'd ordered. Irregardless, I have two of them, so I'm going to give one away here on the channel. The E56 was actually the biggest Gleam giveaway I'd ever done, or had the most entries. It had over 1,000 entries with one time that I gave one of these away. But I'm going to give one of them away. There's a link down below. It's the same deal as always. It goes to Gleam. The other one I'm going to give away on Patreon. Now, Patreon has changed its rules just a little bit, so you're going to have to go there and figure out how that works. But if you want a second chance, there is a link in the Gleam or down below. Either way, you can go to Patreon and sign up for this one as well. So I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. I want to thank you guys for getting to 13,000 subscribers on the channel. Even though I wasn't very active last month, people kept subscribing. So I've tried to make videos that are useful for the long term for a lot of people. So it's not just reviews of something that's great this month and then we're going to be replaced next month. I want to be useful for the long term. So things like the RSSI video in the OSD, I think that's a good one. The smoke stopper, gosh, people still watch that one. I love that video because that thing is so handy with the video I just posted yesterday. I use that thing constantly, but November is going to be more active. We're going to do more than 3 or 4 videos is all I got out in October. It was really pathetic, including how to get the Bluetooth working in the X-Lite radio. Everybody's wanted to see that one. It does work. I just hadn't gotten to really test it. So I now have the new rig set up so I can fully test that. That's going to happen tomorrow. But on that note, if you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure you go sign up for the E56. Make sure you share the link so everybody else has a chance to sign up too, which gives you additional entries, so it gives you a better chance to win. And until next time, remember, we're going to be seeing a lot of inside videos because it's that time of year. Again. It's raining. Again.